going on, guys? Today I did a lot of deciding on a color for the Eclipse, and I think I finally found one that I want to go with. It's a little out there. It's not going to be for everybody, but it's definitely going to be a unique color, and it's going to be rare, so it'll be cool. And right now I'm working on something exciting. So I have the carbon hood out right now, getting ready to get this thing sanded down so we can get this thing refinished. Alright guys, the hood's all sanded down. I'm going to use this fine line tape and tape off some of the stuff that I don't want to be painted and I want to stay carbon, and then going to go ahead and paint the thing. Alright guys, so I actually painted the hood a couple days ago, and I didn't actually record me painting it or anything like that, but I'm going to go ahead and do the color reveal for you guys so you can see what color the car is going and also see what this hood looks like. And I'm actually going to go back over the hood, wet sand it, and put another couple little areas that need a little bit of base coat put back on, and then I also want to re-clear the whole hood. Alright, so it's sometimes hard to tell in person, but this is like an aqua mint green sort of color. And it's going to look a lot more green, or a lot more blue to you in pictures and videos, but this in person is a lot more green. So what I did was I taped off the carbon vents on both sides. A bunch of dirt fell down into this over the last couple days of it sitting in here. But yeah, left both vents carbon, painted the whole thing this color. I'm going to go ahead and open up the door, let some sunlight in so you can kind of see. The reason it needs repainted, you can see the texture here. So what happened was, after I cleared the whole thing, some of the cracking from the carbon sort of sucked the clear down in and sort of made it textured. And I mean, a lot of the hood is still smooth and looks good, but just right up front there, like as you can see here, it's smooth, looks all right. But back here, it starts to get textured again. Alright guys, about as good as I can get it right now. Again, I'll have to go back and wet sand and buff everything, but at least now, for the most part, it's completely smooth. All that crow's feet is gone. Looks pretty good. My tape job on the carbon is slightly different on one side to the other. It's almost the same, just a tad bit different, but it's hard to tell, so don't bug me too bad. Alright guys, it's getting a little bit late here. Just wanted to make a follow-up video to show you the finish of the hood now that we're inside and you can see it a little bit better. It was kind of hard to see out in the sunlight. Go ahead and turn the flash on so you can see the carbon. Definitely looks pretty good now. I'm really happy with it. I got to do very minimal wet sanding, just a couple little dirt nibs I got to get out. As far as the car goes, in the process of stripping it down right now to to start painting everything. Gonna paint, you know, I'm gonna do all the jams, so I gotta remove all this weather stripping, gotta, you know, pull the panel, that sort of thing. But we're getting there. It's coming along. That's about it, guys. Appreciate you watching the video, and I'm sure you'll get some updates on the car soon. Like I said, we're going to start rolling on painting some of this stuff like as soon as we can, and get it all taken care of, and try and do it the right way. Try and make this, you know, as clean of a paint job as I can for what I have to work with right now. And hopefully it's going to turn out pretty good. But if I don't get everything painted soon, then, you know, we'll work on some other projects in the meantime. I'm going to wait for it to warm up a little bit before I finish painting everything, but it's coming soon, and I think it's going to be a really cool color. It's really going to pop, give this car some character. So anyways, guys, appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.